Hey everybody, I'm Bill and welcome to the heart of Newport Beach, California. I'm standing on a pier on Balboa Island, standing over sand for a very particular reason. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time, and that is go from the beach to the mountains within the hour. One of the coolest things about living and flying in Southern California is the fact that you can go from the Pacific Ocean to snow-covered mountains within 60 minutes, door to door. Southern California is really known for its congested airspace. There's a ton of airports around, there's a lot of traffic, but part of that traffic and airspace congestion is part of the geography of the region. And we've got beaches, we've got desert, we've got mountains, we've got valleys, we've got all kinds of varied terrain to deal with, which makes it really cool for a pilot to be able to navigate all these different types of environments. So today, my cameraman and I are going to hop in the Cardinal and see if we can go from the beach to the mountains within the hour. Let's go.
86. Frequency 462, gentlemen, ground taxi, Alpha, hold short Juliet. Alpha, short Juliet for American 2462.
Even though we're not driving to Big Bear, still traffic.
Cardinal 835, monitor tower 126.8.
Monitor 268, Cardinal 835.
Cessna 34835, John White Tower, cross runway 20 right at Kilo, hold short runway 20 left, traffic 2 miles an hour.
Crossing 20 right at Kilo, holding short 20 left at Kilo, Cardinal 34835. Okay, cleared left, cleared right. Guys.
Skywest 3370, traffic 11 o'clock, 2 miles, Sirius downwind for the parallel runway.
Skywest 3370.
It's a pretty tower.
All females.
Cessna 835, runway 20 left at Kilo, left await.
Left and wait 20 left at Kilo, Cardinal 34835.
Tower correction 774, visual 20 right.
Cardinal 835, runway 20 left at Kilo, clear for takeoff.
20 left at Kilo, clear for takeoff, Cardinal 34835. That is the most fun part about a like line up and wait takeoff, is being able to do a static.
Number Victor, contact southbound departure.
Over departure, Nana Victor.
Okay, everything looks
Paragon
good.
103, runway 20 right, clear for takeoff.
20 right, clear for takeoff, Paragon flight 123.
John White Tower, Cessna 348, Mike Echo, turning inbound from signal.
Number 348, make Echo, John White Tower, make left traffic, runway 20 left.
Left traffic, 20 left, stay Mike Echo.
Number 05 Foxtrot, traffic 2 mile final for the parallel runway to Challenger. Caution wake turbulence, runway 20 left, clear to land.
Speed is live.
Challenger in sight,
Or
20 left.
climb rate, I hope speed is live.
774, runway 20 right, clear to land.
20 right, clear to land, correction 774.
Cardinal 835, fighting 030 for traffic.
Alright, 030 for traffic, Cardinal 34835.
Cardinal 835, radar contact, stay altitude, and maintain VFR at or below 3000.
Climbing through 500, Cardinal 34835, and just to confirm that's 030 for traffic.
Affirmative, fly heading 030, Cardinal 835.
835, 030.
Cessna 8, Mike Echo, traffic 12 o'clock, 2 miles. Cardinal turning northeast on, climbing out at 600 feet.
He's in sight, 8 Mike Echo.
Mike Echo, direct traffic, continue northeast on, remain on the left side of him.
We'll remain on the left, 8 Mike Echo.
Okay, let's get this last one.
1320, RP Zulu, runway 20 right.
Paragon flight 103, contact SoCal departure.
Over to SoCal, Paragon flight 103, good day.
That's a new one.
35, fighting 080, contact SoCal departure.
Alright, 080 departure, Cardinal 34835.
Number 34835, SoCal departure, 0 clock altitude.
Going up to 9,500, Cardinal 34835.
Number 835, altitude, your discretion, and just flight present heading vector for traffic.
Alright, own altitude, and we'll maintain the heading, Cardinal 34835, thanks. Alright, so altitude is free, so we can go above 3,000, which was going to take a while anyway. Yeah, there's a couple of ways you could do it. I mean, this is fine, like, you know, he doesn't sound super annoyed. One way is to climb over here to get out of the way. The other way is to go low and then climb.
Over 835, contact approach 134.0. Thanks for the help.
340, Cardinal 34835. Yeah, my pleasure. Sorry for being in the way.
Oh, you're good.
SoCal, good afternoon, Cardinal 34835, 6,700, climbing 9,500.
34835, SoCal, hello. Understand you're going to Big Bear. VFR climbs approved on tail altimeter 3002.
02, affirm on Big Bear, Cardinal 34835, thanks.
Yeah.
1,000 to go. Seems like it's taking forever. God.
Like our run yesterday.
Yeah. I mean, that's what we're doing, is literally running uphill.
You know.
I think our camera may have turned off.
11 o'clock at about 2 miles.
I didn't turn on the battery.
Speed type unknown.
Looking to track 638.
Sun journey 62, connect approach.
Alright, that thing on.
835, radio service terminated, spark maintained VFR. Frequency change approved. Have a good day.
Have a great day, Cardinal 835. See ya. Look at that, that's so cool.
Nobody, no man, no woman is precisely what they think they are.
All right, coming up, beam the numbers. Want to go around the school per noise abatement. This thing slowed down here. Pretty quiet up here too. Okay, lights are coming on. Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835, turning left, base, runway 26, Big Bear.
Nobody, no man, no woman is precisely what they think they are.
Big Bear traffic, Cardinal 34835, short final, runway 26, Big Bear. That's a little bit better. Get a little ready for landing wiggle. Light winds, looking good.
Hooray! What it sounds like.
Yeah.
One of those little party.
"30 minutes later, that's all it took. Started at the beach, and now I'm gonna do something that I feel is unique to living in Southern California and flying in Southern California. And that is to be able to go from the beach to snow in 30 minutes. Let's go. Well, it's kind of worked out too, that it wasn't whatever it was, 25 degrees when we tried to do this the last time. It is extremely mild, and Here we go. From the beach to the snow. Very dirty snow, so I'm not gonna really play with it too much. All right, so this is Big Bear Airport. It is really, really cute. It's relatively easy to get to, considering that it is a mountain airport. It's not super high in the summer. The density altitude definitely is not good here. But I think we're gonna try to go into town maybe and see what kind of cute restaurant we can find for lunch downtown. Situation report. Sit rep. These trolleys take forever. The advertised 30-minute route time, not really holding up today. We're gonna make the right decision, which is the Robert P. Pratt Terminal and the Barnstormer Cafe. So, good decision. Well, I'm hungry, so any food is a good decision at this point. What a cool airport cafe view.
It is pretty cool.
That looks delicious. That looks insane. What'd you get?
I got the waffle combo with sausage and eggs over easy, and apparently a pound of butter.
that is a pound of butter.
Aggressive amount of butter.
And this spicy sausage Reuben with German potato salad. Oh, and they bring you deli mustard automatically. This is great. And we got a view of snow. We should have dinner at that Ruby's on the pier.
Oh.
So we can eat over snow and then eat over sand. But this is, what a great view for an airport cafe. And there's action too.
Oh, it's busy. Busy today.
That is actually a pound of butter. The syrup waffle by hand move.
What a good waffle.
Is that a good waffle?
Yeah, that is a really good waffle.
They're known for their waffles.
It's really delicious. I have to get the snow. Oh, it's like not even snow.
It's just ice.
It's just wet ice.
Don't.
My hands are cold. Well, that was fun.
Yeah, how was the breakfast, lunch? How was the brunch?
That is the best waffle I've ever had.
That's a really good waffle.
It was really freaking good.
Barnstorm Restaurant.
Really good.
Definitely recommend.
Definitely come back for the waffles.
This is a really cool airport. It is challenging, but not overly challenging. Once you come here once, kind of get a feel for it. And yeah, it's high altitude, so you do have to watch for density altitude, especially in the summer. You know, plane feels a little bit different when you're up that high and trying to land. That kind of felt a little bit weird. The wing camera, unfortunately, I did not click the external battery on, so we missed out on getting the wing camera coming in, but I will have a separate video that's gonna have footage as well as the cockpit camera on the arrival, and I'm gonna make sure that we have the wing camera working for the departure. The departure is the best part about this airport, and I'm really excited to get some footage of that. So that will also be a separate video on the channel. So check that out either in the description or on the channel. God, that's a pretty plane. That's quite a scene right there.
It is a pretty plane.
And this is a pretty airport. Again, the point of this video was to go from sand to snow in SoCal. And I can't think of, in the continental US, any place where you could really do that and do it as easily as you can here. It's a 30-40 minute flight for us from John Wayne, and you're up in the mountains, and you know it's a very mild winter this year, but we've had a lot of rain, so there is snow on the ground, and the slopes are open. But 30-40 minutes, you could go from boogie boarding or surfing to skiing or snowboarding, which is pretty rad and a unique part about flying in Southern California. We checked off another airport restaurant, so that's cool. We'll probably put this in the airport restaurant review playlist with the others. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Check out the other videos of the arrival and departure, and we'll see you next time. All right, guys, peace.